Recently, I started playing around with this app called MagicaVoxel, and the name pretty much says it all. It's almost magical. You create voxel art just by clicking and dragging and some simple actions. I'm a horrible artist, but this is a snake head. I gotta get better at this. Here's the rat or mouse, whatever you call it. And the grass, you can export. I exported everything into OBJ, and you can just drag it into the Unity folder. So here I have a scene. This is snake test scene. If I play, you're going to be able to see the art in the game. So that's the snake head. You also see the mouse. And the game works fine. I added a few updates, like now that we have a forward with the head. This is just one of the details. The head will face downward when drowning. And another update which I added is, if I look at the environment, I have this int positions as an integers. Basically, I'm using this function to get rid of all the decimal values within the positions for the grass and water. Because sometimes when I create these box items, for example, control and drag, sometimes I get this weird value like negative 13.001. It barely makes any difference, but just to be safe, I can go to environment, right click, remove all the decimal points. There you see it in the debug. And the decimal points are gone. I can do this in the editor because I have this context menu. This allows me to right click on the component and run it in the editor. And that's pretty much it. I can still run the game. It's just a different art. I can go back to the map, choose a different scene. It's almost the same right now, but I'm going to create different scenes later on. And for the next few days, I'm going to spend some time learning MagicaVoxel. I'm just a beginner. There's a lot more to learn. I'm not going to do a tutorial on this in this video because there's just so much info online. If you just Google MagicaVoxel tutorial, you're going to find so much stuff. And I think this is a perfect tool for building simple games like this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.